Hello everyone. Alright, what is a goal without a plan? It's just a dream. That's the truth. If you've ever set a goal and had no idea where to start, you're not alone. That's where SMART goals come in. In this lecture, we will talk about how to make goals clear, focused, and achievable. We will also split it into 5 parts: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. In this lecture, you will understand the SMART goals framework, learn how each part specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound works. See real world examples that bring the framework to life. Let's start by understanding what are SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. It is a way to turn vague ideas into clear, actionable plans. Take this example. Instead of saying, I want to grow my business, make it SMART. Increase sales by 15% over the next 3 months through targeted social media ads. It's clear, it's structured, and it gives you a roadmap. SMART goals help you focus. They let you measure progress and they keep you motivated. Now let's discuss each element of SMART goals. Starting with specific. Focus on the details. A goal needs to be clear, no fluff, no guessing. You must define exactly what you want to achieve. Think of a student who says, I want to do better in school. That's too vague. A specific goal would be improve my math grade from a C to B in the next term. Now, the path is clear. In business, a retail store might say, launch a loyalty program to increase repeat customers. Specific goals give teams something real to aim for. When we have measurable, track your progress. You need a way to measure success. Numbers and benchmarks matter. Picture a non-profit aiming to raise funds. Without a target, how will they know if they succeeded? A measurable goal would be raise $50,000 for the education program within 6 months. Progress motivates. When you see how far you have come, you want to keep going. Next is achievable. Keeping it realistic. A goal should push you, but it cannot be impossible. Unrealistic goals set you up for failure. A startup might say, become the market leader in 1 month. That's a dream, not a goal. An achievable version would be acquire 500 new customers in the first 3 months through online marketing campaigns. The key is balance. Challenge yourself, but stay grounded. Now let's talk about relevant. Align with your bigger purpose. A goal has to matter. It should fit your broader objectives. Take a bakery that wants to introduce a new cake flavor every week. It sounds fun, but it might not help them achieve their main goal, profitability. A relevant goal would be reduce ingredient waste by 10% this quarter. Relevance ensures your efforts move you closer to what truly matters. Lastly, we have time bound. Set a deadline. A goal needs urgency. Deadlines keep you moving. Without one, it is easy to procrastinate. A team that says complete the project might never finish it, but a SMART goal would be submit the project report by December 15th. Deadlines bring structure, they force action. Think of SMART goals as a GPS. If you tell your GPS, take me somewhere, it's useless. But if you say, take me to 123 Main Street, it plots the best route. SMART goals work the same way. They guide you with precision and clarity. Set one SMART goal for yourself. Write it out, breaking it into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound parts. SMART goals turn vague ideas into real plans. They help you focus, track progress, and stay on track. Have you ever used SMART goals without realizing it? Or do you think this framework can help you achieve more? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That's all for now. See you in the next lecture.